Every once in a while, I get a text from my friend Ronnie. It says, hey, I think there's something on your doorstep. This really isn't a special occasion, so I have no idea what it's going to be. Okay, I have no idea what this is. I know exactly what this is. This is a screen protector for my watch, because as you can see, the corners of this current screen protector aren't looking too hot. Ronnie, that is a very good gift. Thank you. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on quite yet because I'm kind of hoping Olivia will want to go to the beach with me tomorrow. I'd rather have the old screen protector on for the beach and then we could put this on after.
Yeah.
Olivia?
Yeah.
Can I come in?
Yeah.
Do you want to go to the beach tomorrow?
I think I could.
Well, let's go. Wait, really? Can we actually go?
I mean, I don't think I have anything.
Okay, I'm gonna go chalkboard it.
Okay.
I put these things on a chalkboard. Let's do it. We'll be okay. Bagel Santo first, right? We're at stop 1, bagels. How's the bagel?
It's really good.
Can I have my second bagel? This is a new beach we just drove up and it's packed. Okay, so the beach is pretty packed today. I don't think we're gonna go on the beach, but we are walking on the boardwalk right now. Well, let's do a time lapse. Okay, so it's definitely a very different experience here at this beach than it was a couple weeks ago. It's a different beach. We're wearing masks the entire time, but there are a lot of people. Yeah! It says congrats, class of 2020. Thank you. So we actually did end up going on the beach. Olivia's actually in the water right now. Crazy person. I'm not gonna go in the water because beach day isn't complete without some pliables to top it off, so embrace your life story.
Spread the love.
Let's go! Thank you.
You got a little something.
Oh, do I?
Woo.
Ronnie.
Yeah.
I still haven't put on my screen protector for my watch.
Why not?
I don't know, I think I should probably stop vlogging.
What?